All right, everybody grab a computer, sit down, open up Trello, please. This goes for everyone. Let's go ahead and jump in the game design document.
Where is it?
Still not a lot of updates to this.
I updated it at the end of last class, so we're still working on everything that's on here.
All right, we need to be, this is our master document here, okay? This is what we need to be updating like 24/7. I mean, any decisions that get made need to be put in here, because if one department, you know, says, oh, hey, what's that thing that we were supposed to do for this? Then and some other department has made a decision to like tweak or change that thing. I know that's pretty generalized, but they'll come in here and look. Okay, this is gonna save you guys a lot of time instead of people like having to ask like a million questions on Discord or whatever it is. Even though we have Discord for that purpose, we got to keep this updated. Okay. So, when we come in, the first thing we're supposed to do is what? We are supposed to go into Cool Patrol, and you're supposed to right-click on Cool Patrol. If it's supposed to be green, okay? If it's not green and you haven't done any work, you're gonna go to Tortoise Git Revert. Okay, if it's red, you'll go to Tortoise Git Revert. All right. If it's green, you just click on Git Sync, and the drop down here, you're gonna do a fetch. Fetch checks what's on your computer, checks what's on the server, and sees how it's different, if in any way. And if it is, well, you're gonna do a pull anyway, but you'll do a pull and it's going to pull some files. So it looks like I actually was able to pull some files here. There were some updates. Langford put in a test puzzle. Burke has decided not to give us a note on what he's done, or she. Saxon has added the logo for the ship in game.
I didn't run Burke through a bunch of things.
I never did anything.
Okay. Lipscomb logo and menu screen.
Also added their manual loading screen.
So when you guys, remember when you're pushing stuff to the server, for now, I want you to work with our tech guy. Okay? For now. At some point, we'll allow you guys the freedom to push on your own. Remember, one of the problems is that if two people are like pushing at the same time, that causes a problem, because basically the way it's supposed to work is someone's supposed to push and then everyone's supposed to fetch and pull. Then someone pushes, then everyone fetches and pulls. But if two people push at the same time, that means that somebody's stuff is going to get overwritten. So there's like, we just need to make sure that that order's in place. Okay. Alright, so let's go over departments. Have there been a lot of technical issues with GitHub? Or has everything been pretty smooth?
Every computer like had one issue, but as soon as I fixed it, no more issues come up usually, except for him. His keeps breaking over and over. I don't know why.
Nice. Sounds like user error. Alright. Yeah, GitHub Master is just going to keep dealing with technical issues, helping users upload things to the server, adding git ignores. Speaking of git ignores, I'm going to jump right to, we had a space pack.
I'm pushing that right now, the updated git ignore to.
Oh, okay. And then everyone will need to download that locally to the project. You hear me?
Yep.
Okay. Today we're gonna download the space files. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. Actually, everybody open up Epic Games launcher on your computer.
All right, the git ignore is pushed.
Awesome. Actually, we can all do that now. While you're launching Epic Games Launcher, go ahead and do a fetch and a pull on Cool Patrol. Very important that you do that. Yeah, make sure you do a fetch and a pull on Cool Patrol. If you've already done it, got to do it again. Because he just pushed the stuff we need. SciFi packs. So did you do both? Hello? Did you do both packs?
Yes, both packs.
Awesome. Alright, so once you are in the Epic Games launcher, go to Marketplace under Unreal Engine.
Oh, I missed something.
If you type in modular sci-fi and store by free, it'll be the first two things that pop up.
I didn't exit
Modular Sci-Fi.
You do a revert and then a fetch and pull?
This guy here?
No, that's not it.
This is awesome, though.
Yeah, but that's $90.
Okay.
$90.
I did it slightly.
Type in modular sci-fi, click
incorrectly, so I
enter, and
need to
store by free.
change it.
And it's just
Just modular sci-fi.
Got it. Free.
There you go.
Alright, yeah, so do what he said. Type in modular sci-fi, SCI-FI, and then click on the little free button on the right. And we need to add these two projects to our game here. Now, these files we're not going to push to the server. We're just going to keep these files locally. And our tech lead is putting in a little file that will make sure that we're not able to push those to the server, which is good because this is gigabytes and gigabytes and gigabytes of files, and yeah, we don't want to do that. So click on season 1, click add to project, and you should see Cool Patrol. If you don't see Cool Patrol, which I don't, you'll need to launch the project. So go into Cool Patrol, and you should see a little icon at the bottom that says Unreal Project File. Double click that. And then as soon as the project's launched, you can go back to add to project, and you should see the Cool Patrol project in there. You can add Modular Sci-Fi Season 1 Starter Bundle too.
I already got both of them.
If you got both of them, great.
Just add to project and then add it to Cool Patrol.
You may need to buy them.
If you don't see it, then maybe open the Cool Patrol folder.
Yeah, if you...
Art, I'm not seeing your logos that you added on.
She put it in the programming stuff.
She put it in what?
The programming folder.
Why did she put it in the programming folder?
I'm not sure. I was gonna ask if she maybe
Yeah, okay.
art
You put the art assets folder in the programming blueprint folder?
Oh, that was an accident.
That's fine.
Sorry. You can change that.
Yeah, I'll fix this.
Sorry.
No, you're okay.
We might have two logos actually too. Because
Yeah.
someone else made a nice one.
It's alright.
I like the corrupting agency sometimes.
We just had season 1 or season 2 too.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. And then just go back to Unreal closed. Unreal. See if we can like add it to the project.
know how his is
So you can like add one to the project, then you can go back, click on the other one, and then add that one to the project at the same time.
Yes, sir. Hooray, now level design can design levels.
You should probably ask the other guy.
I guess also add season
Oh,
two
you
to
make
the other level.
Yes. Add season 1 and 2.
Well, you have a lot less stuff than the rest of us, so it's level design first. We had both of those in the project.
Yes.
No, I just looked at modular. I have like all sorts of stuff.
Oh, he scared me for a minute.
Yeah, there's a map plugin that I have downloaded.
Oh yeah, they'll show the attached
Or
to any level.
map plugin.
like
I just saw map plugin.
let's use Google Maps on the spaceship.
Something not bad.
Like you
Just
are
use the ISS as in look at
At the rate we're going, we can have this game done tomorrow, right?
we already had it all acid.
All right, you guys. Has everybody added the stuff to their project?
It's taking a little bit to download.
It's adding.
You're still downloading the first
All right.
one.
Yes, it's gigabytes worth of files. It will take a while to download, most especially since we're all downloading it at the same time. Okay? Anyway, all right, let's move on here. Programming tasks. Programmers, do you have tasks and are you working on them?
Well, we have to switch some of our tasks around since we got rid of the full screen puzzles, but most everyone has a task.
Okay. And remember, we wanted those up in here somewhere. Features.
Yeah, we'll fix that, 'cause that's-
Collins list, Rowan's list, Herbert's list, Marcus list. Let's make sure this is current. Okay, who's in charge of updating this? Is it the project lead or program?
Probably me.
The programmers should be able to update their own lists on track.
I agree.
Okay, I will update the list.
Well, no.
No, individually.
Individually.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's their list.
Yeah, everybody.
Well, I will give everybody something to add to the list.
Yeah.
Yeah. Programmers, update your own list if you need some help, or if you need something to do. Ask the lead program. Level design, sweet. Looks like you guys have done a lot of stuff here. That's awesome. All the top downs are done, approved. Everybody's happy. They're consistent.
Yes.
And the full screen puzzles are removed from those top downs. Okay. Project lead, it is your responsibility to keep that document updated. It's also your responsibility to walk around and talk to everybody, make sure everybody has something to do. Also, online people. So you're just moving and shaking 24/7, okay?
Yeah, I'm lucky I don't have any other classes this semester.
Yeah, right. So yeah, I mean, level designers, technically you guys can start working on your level.
I already added that to the document.
Okay. Character. I heard somebody say you guys have a character model.
Yep.
Yeah, let me see if I can
Is that for the bad guy?
this
Yeah.
thing.
And I just downloaded some
I
animations.
really like
for
what
it,
they
too.
chose.
Okay.
Super spooky.
So you guys have a video that I showed you how to take literally that character right out of Mixamo, put it in the game.
That's what I'm looking at right now.
What
Now,
we want to do is like implement it like as like an enemy.
yeah. So what I would do is I would create a new project,
Alright.
which is a third-person project, and do exactly how the video was done. And then when you're done with that, you can migrate that character files from that project to Cool Patrol. There's a migrate function. It's really cool. So just right now, don't work in Cool Patrol. Work in a third-person project. Just off in
Alright, so clean slate.
clean slate third-person project and save it.
And that way it'll have all the animations we needed. Okay.
It'll be just like the video.
Gotcha. And it's just like Jolene.
It's just like the girl with the leaves on her.
Jolene.
Jolene.
And
Yeah.
then we would have to like make an AI for it to like move on its own.
Like if my
Right?
computer
That's what the programmers do.
you don't do that. They do that.
Yeah.
So just implement everything in there.
Do the
We
video.
just pick how it looks and what it does.
Yes.
Well, not what it does, but like its animations, what it does.
Got it.
Yes.
Programmer meeting.
And when you're done, I'll show you how to migrate it over.
Right.
Hang on, guys. Hang on. Yo. Hey, hold on. I'm not done here.
Okay, never mind.
Everybody hang tight. Holy moly. All right. So, characters, animation, you guys got stuff to do? What's your job, sir?
I am supposed to implement different animations on this guy.
Okay, we'll work together on that, I guess. 2D art, 3D art. What are we doing?
We are. Oh yeah. Could you like
Oh, you
share
already
like
picked
a
it up?
list of what kind of animation you do?
Yeah, just come over here real quick. I'll show you.
Yeah. HUD design.
You should come over here as well.
HUD design, puzzle pieces, start screen, pause screen, look and feel, art direction. Do we have an art direction? Do we have some sort of an idea of what the game look and feel is going to look like?
Spooky.
Spooky.
Yeah.
That doesn't tell me anything. If I Google spooky, you know what that's going to show me?
It's gonna be pretty scary images.
This is what I get when I Google spooky.
Luigi.
It's all over the place. From this to
Okay,
this.
don't listen to Cullen, but they do have an art theme, right, guys? Well, part of it is based off of the sci-fi level templates, obviously, because those are set.
Let me show you guys what Hey, you guys. Hey.
This is how it's gonna run.
Really? Hey, I'm like having a meeting here. Can y'all sit down in your own chairs, please, until I finish? Holy moly, you guys! Look, as far as like a art style and stuff goes, this is a style, okay? This is an art direction. You can look at that and just take one look at it and go, got it. Okay, that's what I want from you guys. I need to know what. You see what I'm saying? Okay, where's it uploaded to?
Discord.
Discord.
Well, there's
Of course.
multiples actually, and we might
They can-
honestly be
They both
redoing it.
they both fit. One could be the insignia for the ship. The other can be like the title screen logo.
Or we can merge them, which is what I'm trying to talk with this other person about.
This is not gonna let me in. Oh,
One's a
look at that.
geometric shape and one's a word. I mean, I guess you could merge them, but
All right, where's it at?
Art,
The art.
I can
That's
repost it to
she
Discord,
made
but
that
it's
one,
way back there.
and if you go scroll up, the other one, keep going. Up. Okay. That's the insignia that she made.
I reposted it down.
Okay, cool.
That's
Kinda
the
like-
loading screen.
Okay, it's cool. I mean, it's kind of like I don't even know how you would describe this. Maybe minimalist, futurist, or something. Something like that. If you guys are happy with it, go with it.
I've liked everything they've done.
I'm just saying, like, I'm always a fan of using reference. So when you, instead of just like trying to like come up with ideas on your own, use actual reference. So like, I mean, 90s punk, okay? I don't know why I keep doing like rock and roll stuff, but let's do,
90s sci-fi.
yeah, 90s retro. Here we go. Like, if I type in 90s retro, I'm gonna get like, which is actually, this is kind of similar to your style, to be honest with you.
We're doing. I think it's like sci-fi retro.
Yeah, sci-fi retro. Like, go to Google and look at some reference and pull up stuff. You can get a billion ideas you're not even thinking of. Okay? Do that, please. Do we have a list of any 3D models that we're going to need? Those are going to start coming down the pipeline from level design.
There's a 3D art list on the document.
Okay. Okay, cool. Awesome. Keep that updated. Visual effects. Hey, man. You still, like, doing stuff?
I need to add VFX to the document.
You with me here?
I'm afraid I won't really help much.
Okay, why is that? All we need you to do is pull in visual effects from the various packs on the Unreal Marketplace. You don't even have to make anything. If you need help finding those packs, the project lead can help you, can't you, project lead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's up, guys?
Oh, yeah, that'd be really cool.
All right, that's it, you guys. Any questions?
No.
All right, get to work, please. Let's make something happen here.